Play with your toys?
Really?
No way. I don't believe you. It's the craziest story I've ever heard. So what happened after that, Rylan? What happened after that? Come on, you can tell me.